let's go zoom down to Washington, Missouri, because we're going to see inside WEG Transformers USA. If you want to know how power gets from the source to your home, we're going to find out now with the folks at WEG in Washington, Missouri. Great overview, and looking inside WEG, we're going to hear from the folks right now at WEG Transformers. And so zooming in with us live from Washington, Missouri, we have Andrew Fisher and Chris. How are you guys doing? And I think Shiloh's coming in as well right now.
Yep.
Doing great.
Doing okay right here in Washington. Andrew?
Thank you, Brian. Doing very well. I believe we have a slideshow today.
Yep, we're going to go ahead and bring that up right now. All right, we have your slides. Go ahead and tell us a little bit about WEG, and then if you need to forward a slide, just say next slide.
Thank you very much, Brian, for that intro. Good morning, everyone. My name is Andrew Fisher, and we are Transformers USA. We are very excited to be a part of Manufacturing Day 2023. First, we'd like to thank the Missouri Chamber of Commerce and Industry, along with all of the other sponsors, for hosting such an amazing event. This is just a really cool opportunity overall for everyone involved to get such a broad look at the products that are made in Missouri and the endless job opportunities that are available across the state. Next slide. So this is the panel for representing WEG today. Myself, Andrew Fisher. I am the operations manager for the Distribution Transformers factory. As I said, we are located in Washington, Missouri, which is inside Franklin County. We're one of the largest employers in Washington, Missouri. And we have 3 factories, and I am the ops manager at one of the 3. Shiloh Bethards, he is our EHS and security manager. He is one of the panelists on this call, and Chris Van Sickle, whom you just saw, he is our HR manager. So a little bit about me. I've been with WEG Transformers USA for 5+ years now. Prior to WEG, I was employed by a different transformer manufacturer, so I'm currently working towards almost a decade of transformer industry experience. Prior to my current role, I've been in various engineering roles throughout my career. I would like to note that I've spent my entire professional career in manufacturing, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Next slide. So this is just some quick stats about WEG, WTU, and the company worldwide. WEG was founded in 1961. WEG, the acronym WEG stands for the 3 founding fathers, Werner, Egon, and Geraldo. Our corporate headquarters is located in Jaraguá do Sul, Brazil. So globally, we have over 30,000 team members across 5 continents. Specific to the US, our corporate office is located near Atlanta, Georgia. As in the US, we have 2,000+ team members across 5 manufacturing sites as well as 7 regional US warehouses. So specific to Washington, WEG Transformers USA, or WTU, we have 3 factories in the industrial park here. We have over 500 team members in Washington, Missouri, and we manufacture 3 different transformer product ranges at 3 different sites. So we have the distribution transformer facility, the specialty transformer facility, and the power transformer facility. So just to give you an idea of what we produce here in Washington, we have the 3 product ranges. So distribution transformers here on the left, that is the product that is manufactured at the factory that I manage. The ST factory, the medium product range, is the renewable transformer products manufactured at our second facility. And our third facility, the big transformers, those are made at PT. So to dive into that a little bit further, we manufacture transformers, which are liquid filled. They're 3-phase distribution and power transformers designed with reliability, durability, and efficiency in mind. Our units are made in the US with select units manufactured in Mexico. We serve a variety of customers across North America in the renewable, so that would be wind and solar markets, utility, commercial, and industrial. Each transformer that we build is built to order. It is designed per customer specifications. WTU works with a wide variety of premier name brand suppliers to meet special requirements and provide an exceptional product. So again, the distribution transformers, also known as pad mount units, those are those green boxes that you see kind of scattered all across, wherever you're from. And those are transformers that you'll see outside businesses such as restaurants, schools, hospitals, factories, etc. The renewable transformers, those are special designed for wind and solar projects. And then the power transformers are located inside substations. Next slide. So what is a transformer? So we have a basic definition here, but we all need the lights to come on, right? We all rely on readily available electricity every day and endless amounts of it. So how do we get it? You can't just simply hook into power lines directly. High voltage electricity is only suitable for transmitting power over long distances. In order to be usable for daily applications, the electricity must pass through a WEG transformer, which converts the power to a suitable voltage. In the simplest terms, a transformer is an electrical device that takes a given input voltage and changes it to a different output voltage. This change can either be an increase or a decrease in voltage. Transformers accomplish this change in voltage through a process of electromagnetic induction. Next slide. So now I'll take a look at the 3 facilities located here in Washington, Missouri. This is the DT factory. This is the newest factory in Washington. This is the factory that I work at. We are currently completing our second full year of production. And this factory has a capacity of approximately 60,000 units per year. And these products are primarily focused on the utility market. So like I said, 2 years, we've got a full first shift. We have half of a second shift. We don't have a third shift yet. And we have approximately 60 employees at this particular facility. This is the smallest product that we produce here in Washington. The overall size and weight, as well as the voltage rating, it allows us to set this factory up in an assembly line style, so everything moves via automatic conveyor, and growth is the name of the game at this particular factory. We're still ramping up production as we're only in our second year, and we look forward to the future. Next slide. This is the ST factory here in the industrial park. It is the oldest of the three factories. This factory in particular has grown and changed a lot over the years. This is where all of our renewable energy projects are manufactured. So wind and solar farm projects, to be specific. These particular transformers are specifically designed for those applications. One thing to note here is we've done a lot of investing in the other two factories over the last couple of years. We are now in the beginning stages of a 3 to 4 year expansion on this particular site. So because it's the oldest factory, there's data technology and a lot of manual processes that we're looking to upgrade and potentially automate. So we have a lot of good things in store for this particular site. As far as capacity, we do about 2,500 units a year out of this factory, and that's about it. Next slide, please. Here's our power transformer factory. This one just completed a 4-phase expansion. So we blew out all 4 walls of this factory. We added tons of equipment. It's now 100% climate controlled, and we even upgraded some automation as well. This factory can build transformers of up to 5,000 MVA, and we do about 200 units per year out of this particular factory. Next slide. So thank you, first of all, and I wanted to just touch base on some opportunities. If you have any, if you're looking for any opportunities within WEG, please visit us at www.weg.us and click on careers at the top of the web page. There's tons of opportunities out there for everyone. You know, whatever you're interested in, there's something available for you. Whether it be operations, engineering, supply chain, quality, finance, IT. We even do apprenticeship and internship programs as well. So I encourage everyone to check out the website and learn more about WEG.
Okay. Good. Excellent. Great job, Andrew and Chris, and you know, had some questions come in. I'm just kind of curious. You know, you said you made it a kind of a climate controlled facility. Does that improve the quality of production any? I got to think that humidity can play a negative role in the production side and some other things.
Definitely. So that the power PT factory, that parts of that factory were always climate controlled, but not all of them. So their humidity is definitely something we don't want in certain areas of transformer manufacturing. Moisture is the enemy inside a transformer. So we were able to, with this recent expansion, make the entire factory door to door, wall to wall climate controlled. So the biggest part of that was you know, making sure our employees were comfortable in the assembly hall, and making sure the climate within the factory was suitable for everyone and not just the product.
Very good, very good. Yeah, I've been to the facility before it was expanded. It's amazing. I got to get back down there and see the expansion.
Yeah, there's a lot going on
Anytime.
here in Washington. Come on down.
Well, we got some great questions coming in. Chillicothe, material science class. Can you explain a bit more on how you actually change the voltage within a transformer?
So what's happening inside a transformer is what we call electromagnetic induction. We make a lot of different types of transformers specific to the customer application and specification. But essentially, depending on where the transformer is going on the power grid, it's either required to step up or step down voltage. So in order to get a lot of power from point A to point B in an efficient manner, it's a lot of power, and it's coming very quickly. So a transformer, depending on where it is, will accept that power and make it, through electromagnetic induction, make it more usable for the next part of the power grid or the end user, if that makes sense.
It does. Thanks. Great question, material science class. They have one last one. What made Washington, Missouri a good place for your company?
So we moved here from the St. Louis area in the 70s, and then these new sites were built in the 2000s, late 1990s. And what I just learned the other day, Andrew and I were at East Central College, and Franklin County actually has a really high percentage of manufacturing per capita, and so very inclined to manufacturing, as well as we had a lot of it's semi-rural in that it's only 45 minutes from St. Louis. There's a lot of manufacturing here, and so it's basically been a hub for us, a lot of agriculture as well. So you had a lot of folks that were interested in fixing things, and we had some people that would farm and then come and work for us and put those skills together. We also have East Central College. We have Four Rivers Career Center. We have Washington High School, and we have Borgia, and they all contribute in the Washington township, if you will. And then we've got Union in the surrounding area. So it's really highly geared towards manufacturing and problem solving. And then I saw another average wage. We started about $22 an hour and some shift prep premiums, and that's for our production associates. And then we also have, as Andrew was saying, we've got a lot of other opportunities, engineering, leadership, supervision, and so that range is even higher.
And then last question, then we got to zoom on out. Do you all have a warranty guarantee on your products? Good question.
Absolutely.
We do, and so it depends on the customer, and we do warrant our work, and we have a service group that we're expanding, and it depends on the customer, and it could be standards anywhere from a short time to up to 10 years for some customers. So it depends on who we're working with and the terms and agreements in our contracts.
Excellent. Well, Chris and Andrew, thank you so much for zooming in from Washington, Missouri for Manufacturing Day. It's great to see you again.
Sure.
And Chris, great to work with you on Manufacturing Day once again.
Yes, sir. Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.